students. In the last class we have completed the exercise 2.4. Today we will start with the exercise 2.5. So here the given question is solve the following linear equations. So here given linear equation you have to solve. Here in this question, here both the sides there are variables. So there are two steps. First you can solve LHS and RHS separately, then equate. Or you can do one more method is I'll transpose variables on the one side and a constants on the other side. Now here I'll transpose. So now here x by 3 I'll transpose left hand side and minus 1 by 5 is a constant. I'll transpose on the right hand side. This is the first step. Now here x by 2. So here x by 2. Here it is x by 3 transposing, it will be minus x by 3 is equal to 1 by 4. I'll transpose plus 1 by 5 will become plus 1 by 5. Since it is minus 1 by 5. Next step is, so now here LHS you can take a LCM and RHS also you can take a LCM. So here 2, 3 LCM. LCM of 2, 3 is how much? Is 6. So left hand side LCM is 6. So 2 3s are 3 2s are. So now x into 3, 3x minus 2x. Right hand side 5 4. LCM of 5 4 is 20. So LCM is 20. 4 5s are 5 4s are. Then so here 5 ones are 5 plus 4 ones are 4. So 3x minus 2x. It is x by 6 is equal to 5 plus 4 9 by 20. So now in this step I'll transpose 6 on the right hand side. So x is equal to, so 9 by 20. I'll transpose 6 on the right hand side, it goes to the numerator. So here 9 by 20 into 6. It will be, so here 2 3s are 6, 2 10s are. So x is equal to 27 by 10. 9 3s are 27 divided by 10. Further you cannot cancel it, so it will be the value of x is 27 by 10 is the answer. So please do write this in a notebook. Please write in a notebook. So here what you can do, there are methods you can solve. Here first you can solve the LCM, taking LCM here, right hand side and left hand side, and equate the equation. Or I'll transpose variables on the one side and the constants on the other side. So next question, second one you do homework. Third question here, x plus 7 minus 8x by 3 is equal to 17 by 6 minus 5x by 2 is the given question. So now I'll transpose all the constants on the other side and the variables on the left side. So variables I'll transpose. So here already these two are variables on the left hand side. Only I have to transpose minus 5x by 2. So transpose minus 5x by 2 on the left hand side and plus 7 on right hand side. Now here x minus 8x by 3 minus 5x by 2 will become plus 5x by 2 is equal to, so constant 17 by 6 as it is, but here plus 7 I will transpose as a minus 7 here. Okay, so this is the step. Now here this is x by 1, here you can take minus 7 by 1. If denominators are not there, you can write it as a 1. Now here 1 3 2, LCM is what? 6 here. LCM is 6. 3 2, LCM is 6. Now 1 6 are, 3 2s are, then 2 3s are. Okay. Now here right hand side is also the LCM is 6. 6 ones are 1, 6 are. So 17. So right, we'll solve first left hand side. Now here 6 into x, 6x minus 8 2 is 16x, 5 3 is 15x is equal to, so this is over on the left hand side, right hand side 17 on the 17 minus 7 6 is 42. Now so 6x minus 16x is minus 10 plus 5 plus 15 will get a plus 5x. So here 5x you will get the answer divided by 6 as it is equal to 17 minus 42. It is minus 25 by 6. So since denominator 6 you get cancelled, so you get it as 5x is equal to minus 25. So then x is equal to minus 25 divided by 5. 5 5 is 25. The value of x is equal to minus 5 is the answer. So x is equal to minus 5 is the answer. Hope you understood this. So please do write this in the notebook. So value of x is here. So all transposing. So x is equal to minus 5 is the answer. Next, here fourth question you can do homework. So second and fourth question homework. Fifth one I am solving here. Now here, this is the given question. You have to solve an linear equation. Variables on both the sides. So you have to make the variables on the one side. So here, but here the given in this question, there are two terms. There are two terms. So first, the step is place the bracket. Okay, divided by 4 minus. I am placing a bracket since there are two terms in the given variable. This divided by 3 is equal to 2 by 3 minus t. Directly also you can solve, but I am placing a bracket, will come to know. Now 3t minus 2 divided by 4 as it is. Now I will transpose minus t on the left hand side. So what we are doing here? Minus t on left hand side. Okay. Now, so here minus 2t plus 3 divided by 3 plus t is equal to 2 by 3. So this is, so t by, you can write t by 1. This is the step. Now left hand side, you have to take a LCM. LCM of 4 3 it is 12. It is 12. So LCM of 4 and 3 is 12. Now, so here 4 is there, you will multiply 3 here 3 is there, you will multiply a 4. You will multiply a 4. And here 1 it is there, you will multiply a 12. Okay. So this is the step. Now 3 you have to multiply for both the terms. So that's why I have taken a bracket. 3 should be multiplied for both the terms. 3 into 3, 90. Minus, in between there is a minus sign. 3 2s are 6. Next, minus into 2, minus 2, 4s are minus 8t. Then 4 3s are 12. But minus into plus. Again it is a bracket, there is a minus sign. So you have to multiply a minus. 4 3s are 12. Next 12 into t, it is a 12t is equal to 2 by 3. Okay. So now here, now the variables, okay, add them the like terms. So 90 minus 80, it is a t, plus 12t, it is 13t. Okay, 9 minus 8, 1, 1 plus 12, it is 13, 13t. So next, minus 6 minus 12, minus 6 minus 12 is minus 18. Minus 18. Then divided by 12 is equal to 2 by 3. So first we have taken the LCM. We have multiplied for both the terms, and here since it is minus in this, so minus into plus minus, minus into plus minus, and multiply with the 4. Okay, this step you should not be forgetting multiplying the minus sign here. Okay, so now here this is 1, so we'll get a 20. So this is the step. So only the thing is here minus, don't forget to multiply the minus for both the terms. So this you have to remember. So now we got this equation. Now we will try to solve this equation. So now I am writing here. So here 13t minus 18 is equal to, divided by 12 is equal to 2 by 3 we have got. Now here how to solve? So first I will transpose 12. I will transpose 12 on the right hand side. So 13t minus 18 is equal to 2 by 3. So I will transpose 12 on the right hand side, it goes to the numerator. So 3 ones are 3 fours are. Now 13t minus 18 is equal to 4 twos are 8. I transpose minus 18 to the right hand side. 13t is equal to 8 plus 18. So 13t is equal to 18 plus 8 is equal to 26. So t is equal to 26. We need the variable, okay, value of variable. So t 13 goes to the denominator. 13 twos are 26. 13 ones are 13 twos are 26. The value of t is 2. The value of t is 2. So only since there are two variables, there is a long step. Here you have to multiply a minus for both the terms, and you have to calculate the value of t. So this is here only the step is only multiplying the extra minus for both the terms. So this you write it in a notebook. I hope you understood. And the last question is, sixth question is homework. Then second question we will solve in the online class. Thank you.